everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today it's Ada here as always, and today we are in my kitchen and I'll be showing you guys how I made this delicious, sumptuous fried rice. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys how I make this. If you're new to this channel, you're hearing this voice for the first time, please click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. And thank you to all my returning subscribers. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back to my channel. So you need your shrimp. I have the cooked one already, like not like the cooked one, you still have to cook it. I have my vegetable mix, I have everything that I need. You need your chicken, you need your eggs, you need your sesame oil, so here I have my rice already. I'm parboiling my rice. You're not going to be cooking that for so long because you don't want your rice to be too soft, you know, to be kind of soggy, so you want it still. Then I have my Motron salt and I have my black pepper, I have my turmeric. I always like using turmeric. I don't know my obsession with turmeric these days, but I always love using turmeric these days. And also you have your Maggi cubes or whatever one you're using, the grounded one. So I use both of them. So guys, this is the sesame oil that I use. I got this from, where did I get it? I think I got this from Sam's. So first off, I'm washing my chicken. I'm washing off my chicken because I need the chicken, you know, like the chicken stock. That is what I need for my rice. So that is why I am washing that off. That is why I am washing that, so I can cook my chicken, because that will be like the beginning of cooking my rice, if you understand. So I really need to get it done, get it going. So now I am trying to season this chicken. Add your onions. Usually when I'm making this fried rice, I just add a little bit of onions. So now the rice, I'm done boiling the rice. In the process of trying to season my chicken, the rice got ready and I had to take that out of the way. So now I'm putting my turmeric. You put in your Maggi cubes or whichever seasoning you want to use, that's fine. Put in my salt, you know, just season the chicken properly so it tastes good, because the water, the chicken stock needs to taste good so your rice can taste good, because that's what you use in cooking it anyways. So you need to make it as tasty as possible. So then I add in my black pepper, my seasoning, and everything I want to add in my pepper. I just love pepper. You can add any quantity that you want to. In my house we love pepper so much. Nigerians, we love pepper. So then after that, I'm going ahead to devein the shrimp is already deveined, so I'm just like trying to remove the tail. So after doing that, I wash it off and also get that ready. So after that, I go ahead in a separate bowl. You want to break your eggs and also beat the eggs. I only add salt to the eggs, like a little bit of salt. You don't want to have too much salt in your rice. So I just add, when it comes to all these things, I just add a little bit of salt. So you put your eggs and then you add a little bit of salt, beat your eggs and then keep that aside as well. So I just whisk the egg and then keep that aside. So this is my chicken boiling, checking the progress. And then I'm going to be adding a little bit of oil so I can start frying the egg. After frying the egg, I pour it out in a separate plate and keep that aside. If you're halfway here, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you all. Please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. You don't want to miss an upload, from me. So I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much for always stopping by. I really do appreciate. So after that, I go ahead and season my shrimp. Shrimp is, as we all know, shrimp is already like, this thing is something that is already tasty. So you don't even need much. So I just add a little bit of seasoning and then there we go. I start frying that all as well. Chicken stock, like I told you, the chicken stock is what you use in cooking the rice. This is me putting my boiled rice in the parboiled rice into the chicken stock, and then I will be mixing it thoroughly because I want everything to go around. I want all the chicken, so I want everything to mix up together. You don't want one part of your rice being white and the rest being other color, so you just want to mix everything together properly. And after that, I put on a foil on it. The foil, there's the chicken stock is little. You don't want to add too much water, so your rice still looks good. Come out like one, like how it's supposed to be. Then after that, I cover it with a foil. The foil helps it to get, to be done quickly and then also not get soggy. So that's it. And after that, I go ahead and bring that down. I pour in the pot there, I pour my vegetable mix in and mix everything together. Doing that is because I don't want my vegetables to be overcooked, so I just mix it in after my rice is done. And after that, that is when you will need your sesame oil. I pour that in my pan and then I fry the